So it's Sunday and I decided to do a get ready with me. Although this is one of those where it's like, does she even have anywhere to go or is she just filming? And you know what? I don't have anywhere to go. I just want to film a video for you guys. But I'm in a really weird mood. So you know what? This might be part like therapy session. Alex does these videos and I feel like this is what I need right now. I don't know. I'm in a really weird mood, like kind of like sad, but not like, I don't really have anything in particular to be sad about, you know? I guess it's just like one of those days. It's just one of those days. I do have a lot of stuff going on in my life right now that I still can't talk about yet. And it's just stressful. But not that I want to keep anything. Well, there are certain things I do want to keep private on this channel. There, you know, there's some level of privacy that I'm still keeping in my life, as always, you know. But not that I don't want to tell you guys about this thing. I do. It's just not the time yet. But I wanted to use this BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, and I just want to play with it. And sometimes, you know what? Sometimes just playing with makeup brings me out of a funk. Do you guys ever feel like that? So it's one of those things where I might not be talking about all the products that are going on my face, but they will all be listed down below. So this is just one of those videos where if you feel like getting ready with me, this is a good one because we can just sit here and relax together. Starting off with the biggest change outwardly, this hair. What do you guys think about my new hair? It's definitely darker. People tell me it's still blonde. I don't know. I think that's a big part of why I've been feeling a little off lately, because my hair is not the same. I know that sounds so stupid, but it's kind of true. It's like sometimes when you make a big physical change in your life, you're not ready for it, you're not used to it, it kind of throws you off. Now, I knew for a long time that I was going to change my hair because my husband did not like the light blonde, and I've said many times, not that, you know, you have to do what your partner wants, but at the same time, there's things that I want him to, you know, I want him to have certain physical things. Like, I don't like him to have facial hair, so we make compromises. He doesn't like the blonde hair. I have it for a while, and then I go back to dark, right? He has a goatee sometimes, and then I'm like, get that off your face. So these are the compromises you make when you're committed. But anyway, I just feel like as soon as I got rid of the blonde, I'm just not feeling it. I'm just not feeling it. I know it's very fall, and yeah, I think she did a really good job, but I'm just not used to not having that blonde bombshell look. Like, even when I got dressed up the other night, and I tried on 15 outfits and I hated all of them, and I was just not feeling like confident. I just put on this shade here. These middle shades don't have names, so I can't really refer to them by the name, but that's what I put just as my transition. I love that shade because first of all, it blends so nicely, but it just adds this warmth and depth there that is really beautiful. So Scorpio is this, let's just swatch it, because this is the Scorpio tutorial that I've been saying I was gonna do because I've been excited. That's what it's like. It's like this reddish, orangey, intense metallic. In some ways I want to go all warm, you know, to go with this, but that is going to be, I think, too much like the pumpkin spice tutorial that I did recently, and I want to do something different, and in some ways I want to incorporate the purple because I think it would really complement this. So you know what, we're just going to go for it. I'm going to put this purple, the middle one, in my crease, and we might build it up. So I'm just going with a more pinched brush. There's somebody outside my door.
Hello everybody in the YouTubes.
So I just zoomed in a little bit better for you guys. So I'm going to bring this pretty much all the way over. What I am going to do is blend it out with that other brush because I feel like I'm losing some of that nice warm depth right there. So we're going to make sure that other color is not missing. Still super impressed with the pigmentation of these and the blendability too. Okay, I'm gonna go into this deepest of the purples, and we're just gonna use the same brush. Why not? I love doing that. I love lazy eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put that right in the outer V. I'm not gonna blend it out too much. I'm gonna come back to it later. My first boy that I fell in love with was a Cancer. And they always say Scorpio and Cancer goes really well together. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put Scorpio on, this is a flat MAC 239. I'm not wearing any face makeup yet, by the way, and these shadows do have some fallout. So I'm gonna be able to wipe it away underneath my eye later. Look at how these apply. Like I said it before in another video, they just go on like molten metal. I don't understand it. It's just really beautiful though. Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm liking this color combo. I'm also amazed when baked blushes like this pick up so easily onto a brush. Baked blushes, baked eyeshadows. Because I've had experiences with baked eyeshadows where it's like they, for the life of you, cannot be applied with anything but your finger. And these, just like, look at this. It's just gorgeous. So Halloween this year. Do you guys want to see any Halloween tutorials? Like, what do you want to see? Because I have a couple on my channel. I'll link to them if you care. I don't know what I'm going to be doing on Halloween, and there's a very good possibility that I'm not going to be able to film anything for Halloween just because of these things going on in my life. By the way, I'm going to take Cancer, and I'm going to just flip this brush around, and I'm going to put that on the space in between the two areas that we haven't done yet. There we go, see? Anyways, so if I skip Halloween, are you guys going to be like really, really sad about that? Because like I'm not going to skip it in real life, still going to do stuff with my kids. But I just don't know if I'm going to have time. I don't even think I'm going to be going out anywhere for like dressing up myself. It'll just be trick-or-treats this year, I think. Okay, I like this color combo, but this is going to require a lot of blending because I feel like these colors are so different that I'm really going to have to go back and forth to make this look really well blended.
Say what you want to say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
Last night was the Conor McGregor fight, and you know, what's his face? I don't even know the guy's name who won. That's how unimportant he is. But he like jumped out of the ring and went and beat up the guy for Conor McGregor's side. Like, what is that about? And then the commentators are all going crazy, going, "Oh, this is the worst thing that ever happened in this sport." Is it really? Like, people love drama. Why do you think, like, even YouTube drama channels, beauty drama channels have all these, like, watchers? It's because people love drama. So, drama gets you views, drama gets you ratings, drama gets you money. And that goes for, like, everything in life, almost. Like, sports, like real life. Why do you think tabloid magazines still exist? I just thought it was funny when they're like, "Oh, this is the worst thing that could ever happen in UFC." I'm like, really? Really? Like, on Reddit today, the top thread on r/all has 12,000 comments about this event that just happened. So really, do you think it's the worst thing that could ever happen? I don't really. And then it makes me go like to my conspiracy theory side of myself, which is like, I wonder if this was all planned. Like, I wonder if this was known ahead of time, you know, kind of thing. And did you see the Banksy painting that got auctioned, and then by remote it had a built-in shredder in it, and it got shredded as soon as it got auctioned, and everybody was standing around going, "Oh no, what is happening?" And then I was just reading comments about it, and people were like, "Really? That frame must have weighed like 80 pounds. You don't think that somebody knew what was going on? You don't think they opened up the frame to see like what was inside of it?" I'm like, conspiracy corner. Like, yeah, that sounds about right to me. But I mean, these things all cause drama. They all get talked about because of the drama involved. So I really like what's going on here. I feel like this is definitely going to benefit from some nice black winged eyeliner. But I also think it could benefit from some other type of glitter, and I'm just not sure yet what I want to do. So we're going to start by doing the rest of my face makeup, and then I'm going to come back to the lower lash line. Why is that all red there? Oh, it's because I was wearing my glasses today. I'm going to go with some Estee Lauder Double Wear just because I feel like I don't use this enough. It's really pretty, and 3, 2, 1. And it'll give me a really nice base to work off of. Mine is in the shade, what is my shade again? I don't remember. 2N1.
Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.
You know, if you think peer pressure stops when you're an adult, by the way, using this Clinique blush that's like super intense, which I think will work with this. If you think peer pressure stops when you're an adult, you're sorely mistaken. The other night we were at the bar, and for some reason, I don't know why, my friend Dennis was like ordering tequila shots. And he's like, here, let's go. And I don't know why, I just felt like bad saying no, so I just did it. Yeah, so I was drinking tequila the other night. Just one. I just had one. It wasn't crazy or anything, but it's been a long time since I had tequila. Like, I'm talking like 15 years. So that was interesting. The next day was not too bad, but a little bit hungover. Posted about it a little bit on my Insta stories. Does this look clowny to anybody else? Like, I know this blush is intense, but I'm like, is this a bit too much? I'm gonna go for the highlight in the middle of this palette. I've used it once before and I liked it. Like, it's pretty intense. It's very silvery, which of course you would think, looking at it, I mean, it looks white in the pan, but it's definitely gotten a shift to it. I'm gonna blend this out a little bit more. Don't worry guys, I know this is like crazy right now. Just to bring some of that orange more into this look, because it is the Scorpio look, I'm just gonna go into that color Scorpio, and we're gonna put it right underneath the lash line. I might blend it out with another orange, but we'll just start with this. If you notice that there's some purple already under there, that just happens to me sometimes when my eyeshadow from on top kind of like falls down, and even if I wipe it away, sometimes that just happens and I just leave it. So I'm pretty much just fully bringing this all the way over. Yeah, I think that's gonna work so much better, because before I was feeling like this is a little too just purple, and this is a nice contrast, I think. I'm gonna go into this shade, which was also the first shade that we started with, and just bring that down a little bit further to just blend it out a little bit. I really want to go on a trip soon. Like, I really, really want to go somewhere. I'm thinking the West Coast, like Seattle, or just like Oregon, or just Washington State. Like, I want to go to the States. I want to, I don't know, it's going to be winter, and I feel like winter on the East Coast is very different from winter on the West Coast, and it'll still, I know, not be a warm vacation, but still like nice weather, I think. I want to do some kind of glitter. I don't know if I should do a cut crease glitter look or if I should just do an inner corner. Really loved how that inner corner glitter looked in my pumpkin spice tutorial, and I think this look would probably look good with something like that. So I'm gonna rummage through my glitters and I'll be right back. Never really tried this before. It might end up being a total disaster, but I have this. This is the Jcat Beauty Rockin' the Night Sparkling something. Wow, that just says sparkling. Sparkling? I don't know. Anyways, it's obviously their glitter. Sparkling Champagne Kiss. So I have this, and I think, oh man, this is gonna be a nightmare to apply though. Look at that packaging. I'm hoping that just plain glitter glue will be enough to get it on. So I think we're gonna do like right in here, this area. So I'm gonna use a synthetic flat brush. This is the MAC 242. Dip into the glitter, tap it off, I think. Yep, tap it off. Okay, that was a good idea. And then just apply it here. Now, I'm worried because it's gonna look a little bit like not blended out in any way. Yeah, that looks a little bit crazy. So I had to see this from far away to see how it looked, and I don't really like it. I think it looks really weird. But I think if I take some brighter glitter, like I tried to blend that out a little bit. There we go. I think that's better. Like, I like the glitter, but I think if I add some brighter glitter to kind of the middle of it, it gives it a little bit more depth and it doesn't look so strange. Because I think because it's so dark, it was looking a little bit weird. See how it looks with lashes and lipstick. I'm going to use the Ardell Foam Ink in 812, and I don't know. Maybe I should do a really vampy lipstick. Yeah, I think that's the route we're going to go. I'll be right back.
Falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So I just put on Bare Minerals Devious. This is, you know, the perfect fall shade, and also very vampy Scorpio, which I think is what this look definitely needed. I am actually really loving this cheek. Like, this highlight and blush combo I think is just really special looking. I don't know, you guys, this was a little bit of a weird one. I think I just needed a little bit of makeup therapy, and I feel like I came out with something really pretty, but just, you know, a little bit different than maybe I would normally do with the glitter, and I'm still not sure how I feel about that. So this was just like a true get ready with me. Let's see what happened makeup playtime. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what sign you would like to see next from this palette, because I've done a couple so far. And if you're waiting for your sign, definitely leave it down in the comments below, because I want to work my way through all of them for sure. And that's it for today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.